Olá, bom dia e bem-vindos a mais um vídeo sobre português europeu para iniciantes. I hope everyone got that. If not, that's okay. I will say welcome, and this is the European Portuguese for beginners. So we'll start learning today the artigos indefinidos. Today we'll start to learn only singular. If is masculino e uma if is feminino. I will do a lot of vocabulary, so 10 for masculino and 10 words for feminino with uma. So we'll start to build our vocabulary at the beginner's level. I think it's important. So if you want to speak to someone or express your ideas, and we'll use the have verb. So it's a good way to make a revision. So let's go. And masculino, we'll use the artigo indefinido and we'll start to say random. Well, it's not random. I have my my notes next to me. So, but I will say I and you and he or she, and we'll make a kind of revision of the verb have. So the first word is cão. Eu tenho cão. Eu tenho cão. Ela tem uma folha de papel. Ela tem uma folha de papel. Ele tem um computador. Ele tem um computador. Ele tem um computador. Eu tenho um portátil. In Portuguese is portátil because computer portable, I guess. So in Portuguese we really say portátil. Eu tenho um telemóvel. Again, in European Portuguese we say telemóvel. Telemóvel. And if you heard some Brazilians, they say celular. Celular, but in European Portuguese is telemóvel. But if you say celular, it's okay. It's like I will travel to States and say pavement or flat. So this is okay if you say celular. But if you want to sound more Portuguese, you know, you will say telemóvel. Eu tenho um livro. Eu tenho um livro. Ela tem um bilhete. You can complete that saying. Ela tem um bilhete de avião. Ou ela tem um bilhete de comboio. Or another thing. Eu tenho um caderno. Eu tenho um caderno. Ele tem um relógio. Ele tem um relógio. I have no relógio. Smartphones kill the business, I guess. And we'll start right now with feminino. And ela tem uma cadela. Uma cadela. Ela tem uma cadela. I'm sorry for that. I guess I wake up earlier this day, so I will see if I keep that on the video or not. So I'm sorry for that. And maybe it's fun for you to see this is not perfect, and maybe it's fun for you to watch these things as well. So eu tenho uma caneta, eu tenho uma caneta, ele tem uma consulta médica, ele tem uma consulta médica, eu tenho uma entrevista de emprego, eu tenho uma entrevista de emprego, ela tem uma calculadora, ela tem uma calculadora, tu tens uma máscara, tu tens uma máscara, so use every day if you left home. Really, it's really important. And let's keep. Eu tenho uma televisão. Eu tenho uma televisão. Eu tenho uma televisão. Ele tem uma casa. É very important as well. Ele tem uma casa. Ela tem uma máquina de café. Ou uma cafeteira. Máquina de café is more, that machine will make espresso. You put the coffee, and the next, and you have as a gift for God. This is the coffee, espresso. Cafeteria, I think, is more the American way to drink coffee. It's more water and a lot more of cafe. So espresso is the tiny cups. So, but in Portugal, if you that is a side note, if you go to the cafe is the cafe. We have the same name. And if you ask for a café, eu quero café. I want a café. I want a coffee. I'm sorry. I want a coffee. And if you want really the large one, I think they are not able to make that. It's on. I think for what I saw, it's only espresso. So if you ask for a coffee, they will make you an espresso. So this is what the sign out. And you can ask, eu quero café, I want a coffee. But if you say after bom dia, or boa tarde, or boa noite, it's nice as well. And after I want a coffee, you say please. It's faz favor. So, when you have time, I will almost always say like that. Bom dia, eu quero café, se faz favor, ou quando tiver tempo, eu quero café. And I hope this is a good information for you guys. And the last one is maçã, not apple. Maçã of eating. Eu tenho uma maçã. Maçã, if you notice, they have a way, I like to think like that, is the till. If you don't have the till, it will be something like massa, I think. Massa. No, massa is with the accent is massa, something like that. That word don't even exist. And if you have noticed, the sea have something weird, no? Under the sea, that's the sea, sits cedilha. we call in Portugal C de cedilha. I think some language have that C, and if you have nothing, the word will be maca. Maca. Maca de hospital. Curiously, the word exists in Portuguese. Maca. Maca, maçã. They are different sounds. Maca, maçã. Without the seed significava macã. Macã. Like a wave. Macã. That words don't exist in Portuguese. So, maca, maçã. 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 If you are Chinese, you are lucky because you speak in 4 tones. So that make one tone is easy for you. Maçã. Maçã. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, drop a like here, or I think it's here, and comment if you have questions, or just telling you, hey, where do you go, or something like that, of everything you want to say. And that's it, and I hope you have a great day. It's sunny today and really hot in Portugal, in Castelo Branco district, and I will sweat a lot. That's the provision of today. So have fun, and don't forget to smile, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and I don't have much to say right now. So bye, and see you next week.